Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing with you Ikea's organising and decorating must-have items or products for families. So I hope you do enjoy this video, and of course if you do, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notification bells so you don't miss another video. Okay, so what has actually inspired this video today is that I do hear a lot of people say to me that, you know, why do I bother decorating, or I don't bother decorating because I've got kids and stuff like that. I'm just going to wait till they're older because things are just going to get messed up. So I think the best thing about Ikea is the fact that they've got so many products that are so versatile and affordable that it makes it easy for us to be able to have the home that we would like, even if we do have small children and pets. So anyway, that brings me to the first product that I really love from Ikea, and that is their couches. Now, what makes these couches different from other couches that you see at other furniture shops? So the couches that they have here, a lot of these material couches or fabric couches actually have removable covers. So if your kids spill something on here, or obviously they get dirty, they jump around with their dirty feet on the couch, you can just remove the cover and pop them in the washing machine and give them a wash, pop them back on. And the best thing is they come in lots of different colors where you can actually just switch them out between the seasons. So if you're sick of one color, you can go to another color, which, you know, how often can you actually change your couch? Usually you have to go purchase a whole new couch. So this gives you a complete new look for a much smaller price tag, and it is, you know, a lot easier than just scrubbing your couch when you can just shove the cover in the washing machine. Now, if you're not a fan of the fabric couches, then they do actually have the leather couch as well. This leather couch in particular was the most softest leather I had ever felt. It was, yeah, you just got to feel this couch. It was amazing. So as you can see, I am definitely a big fan of leather couches. I have one myself. You've seen me do plenty of clean with me videos with this leather couch, but if I was to choose a fabric couch, I would definitely choose the fabric couches from Ikea. Now, if you do like the idea of a fabric couch, then they also do have dining chairs with slips as well. So you can actually take the whole cover off and put that cover in the washing machine. The same deal again, pop the cover back on when you finish. You don't have to sit there scrubbing chairs. Because I really do love the fabric chairs and I think that they're beautiful, but practicality with children, it's probably not the most practical thing that you could possibly buy. And while we're still in the living area, one of the other products that I did really love were their cushion covers. Now, obviously they're way easier to store cushion covers than buying a heap of different cushions. There's no need to buy a heap of different cushions when you can just buy the cushion covers and just swap them out. Again, you can change them with season to season, or you can change them as soon as they get dirty and just pop a new cover on. The other product that I do love for the living area, which obviously you can use throughout the house, is their ranges of rugs. Now, if you are looking at buying a rug for your area, I would definitely recommend going a low pile with children and with pets. Now, I'm only speaking from experience myself because I did have a constant battle with my rug when I had a more plush rug, but then when I changed to the low pile rug, which was recommended to me, all the pet hair would actually sit on the top, and if the kids were eating like chips or something like that in front of the TV, watching a movie, all those like crumbs and stuff stay on the top of the rug. They're not like embedded into the fibers like they are with those more plush rugs. So I would definitely recommend going to low pile. And of course, Ikea have a massive range of those as well. Now, before we do head off into the bedroom area, because I'm going to share with you some of my Ikea hacks and products that I love in that area, I'm just going to share with you the last product that I would love for the living area. Obviously you can use these in, you know, toy rooms and stuff like that, which are like the cube units that they have from there. So this hides in all my toys. If you guys are regular watchers, you know that this is where I keep all my toys and stuff like that in the side here. But yeah, I absolutely love these units, and they have so many different colors and stuff like that with the inserts. You will see in the coming weeks, I am going to be doing my bedroom myself and doing the organization in there, and you will see how I've actually used some of these little cube baskets in the rooms, which are from Ikea as well. So definitely check that video out when it comes out, and let's head off to my daughter's room, and I'm going to share with you some of my Ikea hacks and my favorite products in there. Okay guys, so now we're in my daughter's room, and I know a lot of you have seen this room plenty of times before, but I don't know whether you've actually taken notice of some of the Ikea hacks that I've done in here. So I'm actually going to share those with you right now. So this is the first Ikea hack that I done. These were $4 at the time. These are just the Ikea spice racks. Yes, they're spice racks from the kitchen section. These were all just like a raw wood color, and all I've done is I've just painted one rail and then obviously painted this part. They do come unassembled, so they're quite easy. I painted it before I put them together, and then I've just screwed this to the wall, and then I've just put one the other side, and this is for like her pretty outfits. It is a Tuesday and we've had a long weekend, so she's worn all of her pretty outfits, but you could definitely use these for dress ups as well. So if you have like a kids playroom and stuff, you could definitely buy one of these and use them for dress ups. The other idea that I had was to like hang scarves and like, you know, hairbands and stuff like that from here as well. And then as she gets older, we could even use this to store her makeup and like hairsprays and stuff like that in, if she wants to do her makeup in this mirror or anything like that. I'm sure she'll want it completely changed by then, but yeah, this was the idea of buying it, is so she could grow in this space. And the other one we've actually used for books. The other use that I was going to use these for was in the spare room. I did have bunks in there, and I was going to actually use that on the top bunk, because when Tali's father and I were together, his kids would have iPads, so then it was somewhere for them to put their iPads and books and stuff like that at bedtime. So yeah, I thought that was a great idea, because obviously they don't have a bedside table when you're on the top bunk. So now I'm just going to share with you my other Ikea hack that I did in here. So this is my other Ikea hack. Now we've just come out of Easter, so she's got a couple of Easter decorations in here. This is actually an Ikea stool. So I've actually just sanded this back, and then I have just painted it all white and did the gold dip on the legs, and then I've just used a doily and then spray painted the doily to get this effect on the top. So it does need a clean, guys. I must admit it's looking a bit worse for wear, but anyway, that's how it's come up, and I really like it. The only thing is the bottom, these legs here don't like to be painted. Like this will scratch really, really easily, because it already did and I had to fix it. When I did fix it, it has stayed fixed, but you wouldn't want to put it in a high traffic area, that's for sure. This doesn't get used like that often. It's just there for like pretty things basically. But if I did want to change this up and I wanted to keep this, they do have these really cool things that you can hang from the side of your bed here, and it's like a pocket, and you can put like all your bits and pieces in there. So if I did want to keep this still, I would definitely get that product from Ikea. I've also seen people use them in car seats as well, so that is another hack for you. And while we're still in the bedroom area, I thought I'd share with you one of the beds that I really love from Ikea. This bed in particular had a bookcase behind it, and it also had drawers underneath it. So this would be great if you have a room that is like tiny and you're really lacking storage. So you could use, you know, the drawers under the bed for like extra toys or extra bedding or even extra clothes if you needed to. And then behind the bed, obviously it's designed for books, so you could use it for books or school books or just normal books, or you could even put in gaming stuff. Like I reckon that'd be awesome for a gamer to put their games in there, and then under the bed they could put in all their other bits of accessories. It's like the endless limits of what you could do with the bed. So I really love it. I think it's a fantastic idea for any small bedroom area. Okay, so now we're heading off to my craft room area, and I'm just going to share with you something that I have done in there, and also some things that I think would be great for a craft room slash toy room area. Okay, so this is our craft room. You guys would have seen it already if you've been watching my channel. I did do a whole reveal and makeover on this room, And I'm actually just going to share with you one of the products I loved, which is this one here. I actually bought, I haven't even unboxed it at the moment, so we can do that together. But I think that this product in particular would be great for homework caddy, or for like just general craft stuff that you want to move around the house, or even like sewing and knitting and stuff like that. So if you like to do stuff like that in front of the TV, then this would be great. So we'll have a look what it looks like inside. I've got, you can. Oh, so this is it inside. So you can see that's like nice, like natural wood color. It's not polished or anything, so you could definitely paint it and customize it to how you like. And it's got these clear inserts too, so you can actually see what you've got on the top area. The other product that I love from Ikea, which is so versatile, is these KALLAX drawer units. I've actually seen these used as like a vanity, and there is a place that actually sells like the proper inserts for them. They're pricey though, very pricey by the way, but they actually sell proper inserts for these particular drawers for people who use makeup and stuff. So this would be great as a vanity, or used as like a desk as I've used. If you want to see how I've done like the desktop or anything like that, then definitely go and check out my craft room vlog for that. Okay, so I know a lot of people have kids that make lots and lots of artwork. I know I do. My daughter's daycare bag is often full of artwork, and I don't know what to do with half of it. And I know that the fridge is one of those places that often it goes to, and it looks very messy and cluttered. And if you're anything like me, I personally don't like it. So one of the things that Ikea does have is a great range of photo frames, which you could definitely use to, you know, create like a gallery wall effect. So my favorite ones from there are these black, the natural and the white. And I think these look amazing with black and white photos. So definitely could be, you know, great as a gallery wall in your house for decorating, and you can easily swap those photos out, you know, as the kids grow, or, you know, if you just get sick of the photos. And you could definitely use it as a gallery wall for the kids' artwork. But if you wanted something that is a little bit easier to like change in and out, because I know that can be a bit hard, and they don't sell the hinged frames anymore, which is a bit of a bugger. I did see these, like, I think they're bamboo. They're like the bamboo wood, I think. And they've got like magnets. So you just put the poster in between the magnets, and then you can hang them on the wall. So that is a much easier way of swapping out all the artwork, and it also looks really nice and stylish as well. So with these, you could definitely create a nice artwork display area in your home. And another product that I do love are these TROFAST units. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm not Swedish, I'm an Aussie, so I get away with saying it wrong, right? I'm gonna use that as my excuse. So anyway, I love these. I think that the reason why I like these so much is because they're at the height that is accessible for kids, and they're not bright and intrusive. And Ikea is really good at making products that aren't bright and intrusive, which you would have seen like in my toy room when I did have this set up as a toy room. I had like the toy kitchen and stuff like that, and it was not bright and intrusive. And I did often get commented on, you know, in that room because it was such a neutral tone in the house. So it's something that you could put in your living area if you've got a small house, and it's not going to, you know, look like it's a kid's toy room. It's going to sort of blend in with the home. Another item that I do like, which I do think that you could use in a room like this, which is actually marketed as a bathroom product to put in all your makeup, and I do think it'd be great to put all your makeup in, but I also think it'd be great to use, you know, on top of your desk if you do need an extra spot for all the stationery as well in your home. So if you're loving that sort of home edit look of that clear sort of items, then this would be one of the things that might help you achieve that look. Now for the entry of the home, now this product is actually again marketed for the bathroom to hang your towels up, which I think is a great idea. You can also use the bottom part as a laundry basket, or, you know, a spot to put in your extra towels, but I think this would also work really well in an entry. So you could use the hooks to hang like your hats and scarves and coats and school bags, and the bottom part where the actual box part is would be a great place to sit your kids when you're helping tie up those shoelaces in the morning. And then inside the box, you could actually use that to hide away all the shoes. Now, I hope you did enjoy this video. I do have way more family-friendly products and organising ideas and decorating ideas, which I didn't want to actually reshare these products with you because I did do an Ikea video a while ago all about these. And I do apologise in advance if you feel a little bit broke next time you go to Ikea because you're inspired by some of these products. I do often get told this when people watch my Kmart hauls. So I do apologise in advance, but yeah, thank you all for watching, and I do hope you did enjoy this. And of course, if you did, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bells so you don't miss another video. And if you do want to see more from me, I do have an Instagram and a Facebook page where you can actually catch me on. And I will catch up with you guys next week for another video. We'll see you then. Bye.